All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So my Galaxy Note 10 Plus has gotten the update for the March security patch. It probably got it a lot sooner because I hadn't been checking because I've been using the S20 Plus. But my Note 10 Plus is on the March security patch, matching my Galaxy S20 Plus. Now, one thing I'm concerned about is I wonder if there's rumors that the Galaxy Note 10 devices and S10 devices will get the same update like the UI 2.1 like the Galaxy S20s have. And that would be actually pretty cool. So I'm checking for an update right now again because I heard that it's going to get the update. And again, it's just rumor mill. So no, I'm up to date with the March security patch and nothing yet. But having One UI 2.0, I don't know that it's going to make that much difference because this is on 2.0. This is the factory unlocked Galaxy Note 10 Plus that I got directly from Samsung. And I don't know that it would make that much difference from getting the 2.1 update. It'll bring some probably a little bit more features and everything, but other than that, I think this phone is running perfectly fine. I don't have any complaints with it at this point. I will be giving you an update though on the S20 Plus. I'm trying to work on a 7-day follow up and a battery review for you. And battery on that phone is absolutely stellar. But I'll get to that soon. But the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, I'm trying to find my way with this. I'm wondering what the Galaxy Note 20 Plus will bring, and I'm hoping that I can get this great battery life out of my S20 Plus that I get out of the Note 10 Plus. The Note 10 Plus, I used it for a couple of videos to shoot because I'm still trying to get my setting right in here. I'm trying to decide what I want to do for a camera. I mean, I have my DSLR, but I've actually been thinking about, I want to get something a little bit more compact because this office is nowhere near as big as my other office, but it's big enough. It's about half the size of my other office. So you can see I have both desks set up and everything, but I'm trying to find a good spot. I think I'm going to use this area right here to record in, but I'm trying to also decide if I want to just completely switch back to phones because the LG V60 just got announced and it's only 800 bucks, folks. That's incredible. They dropped a bombshell on the price. A lot of people figured it was going to be a lot more, but I can't believe it's only $800. And then if you want the extra screen, it's an additional $100. Now, I'm speaking in terms of T-Mobile's pricing, but I'm pretty sure other pricing on carriers and stuff, if they get it, won't be much higher. And I'm really looking for an unlocked version because being that I'm with AT&T as my primary carrier now, I already purchased a lot of unlocked phones, but I'm probably just going to use my other two SIM cards. I have Verizon and I have Google Fi, and I'll probably test phones with those lines because I use those just as much. All three of my phone lines get used heavily every day. So I'm wondering how the LG V60 is going to play out towards the masses now that the price is out. It's incredible how that phone drops at $799. It's amazing. Now, the S20 line is much higher in price, and you don't get all the specs and features of the LG V60 as well. So I'm really curious how that's going to be for the upcoming pricing on all carriers, and then if there'll be a really high price for an unlocked model. Now, LG's phones are known for dropping in price pretty quickly, but who's to say that it's going to drop fast this time? Because that price of 800 bucks for all of that phone that you're getting, I'm really ready to test those cameras out. The dual screen thing, honestly, I'm not even tripping about that. I'm not really excited about that. I'm more excited just about the LG V60 in general. I think it's because the G8 is a sleeper phone of the year. I mean, the G8 is one of the best phones to hit the market. It's a good size. It's got powerful cameras, good battery, quad DAC. It's got everything. So now that LG has stepped up their game and put out a 6.8-inch version of that, pretty much, that's the way I see it. It should knock down some heads, and it should beat up on the Galaxy S line really easy, especially in the camera department. But we shall see. Now, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II, I haven't heard any more news about that. It's supposed to release in the second quarter of this year, and we're now entering into the second quarter of this year pretty soon. So I'm hoping that they go ahead and give us what we want. Get that phone for sale and get it out there because I am so interested in reviewing this phone and just owning it because the Sony Xperia 1, I owned it before and there's been some promos on Amazon where they're giving away that phone and they're giving away the headphones together. And it dropped to $700 this weekend, folks. And I didn't grab it. I didn't grab it. I was like, I'm going to hold off and, just to wait it out because I really want to give my money to the Mark II. I think the Mark II is the smarter purchase from what I should be grabbing on. And I feel like Sony, if they play their cards right, they definitely can grab some market with that phone. They've got to do it right. They've got to market the phone. And if they don't market it, I can't help them market it. I'm just one person, and I think they really should get some commercials out there. So I'm checking the current price. Right now it's $742 for an Xperia 1 and the headphones. That's a killer deal. So the Xperia Mark 1, Xperia 1 Mark II, it really needs to come with it. And we know the price will be about $950. So, but I say that for that price point, you're still getting way more than anything else on the market. Just the 4K display alone should get people pumped up. Forget 120 hertz. Yes, I've been running my phone, my S20 Plus at 120 hertz. I've been running at 120 hertz at 1080p because I've just gotten kind of used to it. I'm not saying that it's bad or sluggish when you switch it to 2K at 60 hertz. I'm just kind of used to it, and that's just what it is. But I'm really looking forward to that 4K display on the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. But all in all, my OnePlus 7T got an update as well on T-Mobile. Even though I'm not with T-Mobile anymore, I still have all the phones, and I plan on selling them. So if you want to buy some of these phones I have for T-Mobile, right now I'm probably just going to sell the OnePlus 7T. Shoot me a reasonable offer. Leave a comment down below, or hit me up on Instagram at Mr. J.O. Williams, and I'll see it right there. Hit me up, Mr. J.O. Williams, right there. Hit me up on Instagram and a DM or something like that, or leave your comment down below if you're truly serious about buying the OnePlus 7T. Pretty much like brand new in the box. Even though I used it a lot, it still looks brand new. It's mint condition. In worst case, I'll go ahead and put it on Swappa. I have no problem doing that. But all of my phones are getting the updates and keeping up updates, so I'm glad about that. But I'm excited for the V60, and I'm also excited for the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. I'm still pumped about this phone right here. My Galaxy Note 10 Plus is just one of the ultimates. And honestly, after using the S20 Plus, I remember saying, hey, I would never trade my Galaxy Note 10 Plus for the S20 Ultra, and I stand firm on that. Regardless of other people are having problems with it, and that has nothing to do with it. I just feel like this is like the ultimate device. And having both of these, it's great. I mean, I like it. But this phone right here, is something about it I just really ooh and awe over, and it's just really nice. But a little bit of news for you from your man Jay. Hit smartphoneconversations.com and check the latest post on there. Are you still rocking with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus? Are you hoping to get some of the updates for this now on One UI 2.1? And if it doesn't matter to you or not, if you have your unlocked Galaxy Note 10 Plus, let me know in the comments, because I'm enjoying this phone right here. I'm also enjoying I'm still enjoying, I should say. I'm enjoying the S20 Plus, and I'll have a follow-up video on that this week, probably tomorrow or so, because it's over a week now. And the battery is settled in. It's over a week. I'm getting 24 hours or a little bit over 24 hours on a single charge, just for reference. And I'll talk about the battery screen on time and all that later on in that video. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of news. And I'm going to let you get on your way. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to be live streaming again once I get fully settled in here. But we shall see how this turns out with the V60. I'm super pumped about that. And this Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. Take care.